How to delete notification. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete notification on Facebook. Easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it, and here go to your notification icon, and you're gonna find your notifications, all your notifications on Facebook. Now for example, you want to delete one of those notifications. All you need to do is you can keep clicking on the screen, or just click on those 3 points up there, and here you're gonna find remove this notifications, which is the first one. Click on it, and like you see, you have removed this notification, and this is it. This is how you remove a notification on Facebook, easily and quick. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video or if it was helpful, and don't forget to like.